I kind of refer to Atlanta as the supply chain capital of the world. And I think it's that combination of the business friendly environment, the world-class academic resources that are here, and then the massive physical infrastructure.
One of the things that I really love about Atlanta is, you said supply chain capital of the world, but it's also very much a center for innovation around supply chain. I've been a part of that for over 40 years, being involved in the very first optimization type of work that was being done in supply chains. That was my company before this company, and now what we're doing today. But it really, there's so much innovation here. And, from the supporting the physical infrastructure, as you just said, to the innovation around talent, R&D, the obvious great expansion around AI and analytics. Can we focus a little bit more on the companies that are here to support those larger or mid-sized companies around innovation?
Yeah, sure. One thing I talk about a lot is, yes, we've got all these big corporate headquarters, but we're really a great region for startups, for small and mid-sized companies too, for service providers, companies that are looking to, sell their innovation to the Fortune 500 headquarters. And we're not just a one industry, two industry town. We have this rich diversity of industry here in Georgia. Everything from logistics to food production, advanced manufacturing, automotive, CPG, kind of professional services, financial services, everything. I love what you said about innovation, because there's kind of this desire to be where all these big companies are and create the next big thing that they're going to want to buy. Then there's all this support around the innovation ecosystem. We've got, Georgia Tech has the largest supply chain institute in the country. They're graduating, supply chain graduates more than any other school in the country, and they're
ranked number one.
And ranked number one
for
the school
many years.
Systems engineering. Yep. But Georgia Tech is also graduating the most graduates that go into roles in AI now in the country. So we've kind of recently stepped up into this big tech hub, and have recently attracted big corporate offices from Google and Microsoft and Amazon and the likes of them. So I think there's so much richness to it all that companies big and small can do really well here.
Yes.
So it's more than just the corporate headquarters.